How to delete a friend on Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the More option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the Friends option. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your friends. Tap on the friend that you want to remove. You will then see 3 dots on the bottom left of your screen. Tap on that. Now, in the menu that appears, tap on the Unfriend option, and with this, that particular friend will be removed from your friend list. So this is how you can delete a friend on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.